Good morning, Standard 5. Welcome to my class. I am Bulbul Singh Gupta, your maths teacher of Dr. D. Ram Devi Public School. So, children, here I am dealing with the topic estimating, that is rounding off. So, today I am going to teach you rounding off to the nearest 10,000 and lakh. Okay. Now, always remember, in order to round off two numbers to the nearest 10,000, look at the digit of the thousand place. Always remember, children, in order to round off the numbers to the nearest 10,000, look at the digit of the thousand place. So let us take an example. For example, round off to the given number to the nearest 10,000. Correct? Now, for example, let us make the place value chart. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, ten, thousands. Right? So now let us start first example. 46,279. So in order to round off this 46,279 to the nearest 10,000, always we have to look at this digit at the thousand place. In order to round off 46,279 to the nearest 10,000 to the nearest 10,000. So we have to look at the digit at the thousand place. So here we have to round off 46,279. So we have to round off the digit at the 10,000 place, that is 4. So we have to look at the digit at the thousand place. Correct? So what is the digit? It is 6. So as you all know that I have told you in the previous class the digits 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If the digit at the thousand place we have to round off to the nearest 10,000, then the rounding off will be to the multiple of 10,000, and which is more than 46,279. So here all of you see, children, 46,279 is in between 40,000 and 50,000. And this number 46,279 is nearer to 50,000 than 40,000. 46,279 is nearer to 50,000 and which is more than this number 46,279. So the rounding of this digit 46,279 will be 50,000. Again I am explaining. All of you see, we have to round off to the nearest 10,000 digit. Correct. Now we will have to look at the digit at the thousand place, 6. This 6, it is in between 5 to 9. So when we have to round off to this digit, 6 is nearest to, it is in between 5 to 9, then we have to round off to the nearest multiple of when the digit at the thousand place. So जब भी आप 10,000 का नियरेस्ट 10,000 का राउंड ऑफ कर रहे हैं, then you have to look at the digit at the thousand place. Okay, this digit is 6. It means it is in between 5 to 9. So when this digit is 6, then we have to round off to the nearest multiple of 10,000, which is more than this number 46,279. हम ऐसे नियरेस्ट मल्टीपल ऑफ 10,000 पे राउंड ऑफ करेंगे जो कि 46,279 से बड़ा होगा. एक और बात, 46,279 is in between 40,000 and 50,000, correct? And second point, 46,279 is nearer to 50,000. 50,000 के नज़दीक है than to 40,000. 40,000 से दूर है. तो जो डिजिट 50,000 मैंने नियरेस्ट मल्टीपल ऑफ 10,000 पे होगा, डिजिट का जो नियरेस्ट मल्टीपल ऑफ 10,000 होगा, दैट विल बी द राउंड ऑफ. So 46,279 will be rounded off to the nearest 50,000. So 50,000 is the rounding off estimated. Correct? Now let us come to the next number. The next digit is 80153. So how you will read it? 80,000, 8 10,000, 0,000, 100, 5 tens, 3 ones. So we have to round off to the nearest 10,000, that is 80,000, 8 10,000. So always look at the digit at the thousand place. Here the digit at the thousand place is 0. As we all know that when the digit at the thousand place is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, then we round off to the nearest multiple of 10,000. Whenever we are going to round off to the nearest 10,000 of the given number, that is 80,153, and we have to look at, firstly the digit at the 10,000 place is 8. Now we have to round off this 10,000 nearest 10,000 place. So we have to look at the digit which is at the 1,000 place. So here the digit in the 1,000 place is 0, and then what we will do? We round off to the nearest multiple of 10,000, which will be less than this 80,153. First point. Second point, this 80,153 is in between 80,000 and 81,000. Okay, first point. Second point is this 80,153 is nearer to whom? 80,000. 80,153 is nearer to 80,000 than to 81,000. Correct? So the round off to the nearest 10,000 of 80,153 is, what is the answer? 80,000 is the answer. So now let us take another example. Let us take another example in order to round off to the nearest 10,000. Let us make the place value ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Right? Correct? Now let's see the number 6, 5, 0, 0, 0. You have to round off to the nearest 10,000. Right? Here, what is the number? Number is 65,000. First point. Now you look at the digit at the 10,000. You have to round off to the 10,000, right? Nearest 10,000. So, in order to round off to the nearest 10,000 of this number, then look at to the digit at the thousand place. It is 5. So, 5 is the halfway. 5 is the halfway of 60,000 and 61. 5 is a halfway of it is 60,000 and 70,000, right? So 5 way is a halfway, half of 60,000 and halfway of 70,000. Now second point, this 65,000 is in between 60,000 and 70,000, right? Now come to the second point. Second point is this 65,000 is in between 60,000 and 70,000, and this 60,000 is just halfway of 60,000 and 70,000. When we have to round off to the nearest 10,000 of the number 65,000, then the number digit at the thousand place is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then we round off to the nearest multiple of 10,000, which will be more than 65,000. So here 70,000 is more than 65,000. So what will be the round off of 65,000? Round off nearest 10,000 of the rounding of the digit 65,000 to the nearest 10,000 is 70,000. This is the answer. Now let us take another example. So here example is 9, 6, 2, 5, 1. 96, 9, 10,000, 6,251. We have to round off to the nearest 10,000. So here we are going to round off this 9 digit at the 10,000. So look at the digit at the thousand place. This is 6. It means this when the digit at the thousand place is 6, then we have to round off to the nearest multiple of 10,000, which will be more than 96,251. First point. Second point, this 96,251 is in between 90,000 and 1 lakh. Correct? And this 96,251 is nearer to whom? Nearer to 1 lakh than to 90,000. So the rounding off to the nearest 10,000 of 96,251 is 1 lakh. So answer is 1 lakh. Okay. So in this way, all of you look at here. In order to round off the number to the nearest 10,000, always in order to round off the number to the nearest 10,000, always look at the digit at the thousand place. Right? In order to round off numbers to the nearest 10,000, look at the digit at the thousand place. Okay children? Now, let us go to the next topic, rounding off to the nearest lakh. Now, let us take example to the rounding of the given number to the nearest lakh. Okay. So let us make the place value chart: ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000 and lakh. Right? So this is the place value chart. Okay. So let us take an example. I am going to show you the round of the given number to the nearest lakh. So it is 2, 5, 6, 1, 5, 7. So you have to round off. Let us read it. 2,56,157. So in order to round off the digit at the lakh place, right? This one, 2. So always look at where? Look at the 10,000 place. The digit at the 10,000 place. So here the digit at the 10,000 place is 5. Right. So when the digit at the 10,000 place is 5, then we round off this given number to the nearest multiple of 1 lakh, which is more than the given number. ये जो नंबर दिया है उससे बड़ा नंबर होगा राउंडिंग ऑफ. क्यों? Because it is 5 is at the 10,000 place, right? So the 5, when the number at the 10,000 place is 5, so we have to round off to the nearest multiple of 1 lakh, this one, which should be greater than 2,56,156. First point. Second point is this 2,56,157 is in between 2 lakhs and 3 lakhs. Correct? Correct? Yes or no? Yes. Second point. Second point is this 2,56,157 is nearer to 3 lakh. Right? And then the digit at the 10,000 place is 5. Then we have to round off to the nearest multiple of 1 lakh. Nearest multiple of 1 lakh, which should be more than 2,56,157. So what is the round off of the digit 2,56,157 is 3 lakhs. So answer is 3 lakhs. 3 lakhs. Okay. Now let us take another example. Let us take another example. Here the question is 8,45,105. Okay. How you will read it? 8,45,105. Right? We have to round off to the nearest 1 lakh. Correct? Nearest lakh. Okay. Now where we have to look at the digit at the 10,000 place. So we have to look at this digit 4, which is at the 10,000 place. First point. Second point. This 8,45,105 is in between 8 lakhs and 9 lakhs. Correct? Second point. This 8,45,105 is nearer to 8 lakh. Correct? Third point. The digit at the 10,000 place is 4. Then we have to round off to the nearest multiple of 1 lakh, which will be less than this number 8,45,105. जब भी हम राउंड ऑफ करेंगे लाख के डिजिट को, तो वी हैव टू लुक एट द डिजिट और एट द 10,000. तो लाख के डिजिट को राउंड करने के लिए हमें 10,000 के डिजिट को देखना होगा. See, it is 4. When it is 4, then we have to round off to the nearest multiple of 1 lakh, which should be less than this number. इस नंबर से छोटा होगा इसका राउंडिंग. Right? So here we see that 8 lakh is less than 8,45,105. So rounding off इस डिजिट का क्या राउंड ऑफ होगा? 8 lakh is the correct answer. Correct? Now let us take another example. Let us take another example. So here example is 7,50,000. Okay. So you have to round off 7,50,000, round off to the nearest lakh, right? So digit you have to round off to the nearest lakh. So where we will look at the digit at the 10,000 place. हमें 10,000 के place के digit को देखना है. It is 5. 5 means halfway. किसका halfway? It is halfway of 7 lakh and 8 lakh. Correct? Now, second point. This 75,000 is in between 7 lakh and 8 lakh, and 75,000 is halfway of 7 lakh and 8 lakh. 7 lakh 50,000, not 75 lakh. 7 lakh 50,000 is halfway of 7 lakh and 8 lakh. Correct? 7,50,000 is in between 7 lakh and 8 lakh. Now look at in order to round off the digit to the nearest 1 lakh, so look at the digit at the 10,000 place. So here the digit at the 10,000 place is 5, and 5, if the digit at the 10,000 place is 5, so we have to round off to the nearest multiple of 1 lakh, which should be what? More than 7,50,000. Which should be more than 7,50,000. And here this the digit nearest 10,000, 1 lakh, rounding off this 7,50,000 to the nearest 1 lakh is 8 lakhs. Correct? So 8 lakh is the correct answer. Now let us take another example. So here example is 62,392. Right? 9,62,392. So you have to round off to the nearest lakh. This is 9 digit. 9 is at the lakh place. So always look at the digit at the 10,000 place. This is the digit at the 10,000 place, 6. And whenever the digit at the 10,000 place is 6, we have to round off to the nearest multiple of 1 lakh, which should be more than, ज़्यादा होगा, 9,62,392. First point. Now come to the second point. This 9,62,392 is in between 9 lakh and 10 lakhs. Correct? Now this 9,62,392 is nearer to 10 lakh. So whenever the digit at the 10,000 place is 6, we have to round off to the nearest multiple of lakh, which should be more than 9,62,392. So the correct round off is 10 lakhs. This is the answer. So in this way, children, let us discuss worksheet number 3. Let us discuss worksheet number 3. So here in worksheet number 3, here we see that first question, round off the following number to the nearest 10,000. Nearest 10,000. Okay. So A, question is 63,525. Right? Let us make the place value chart. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. Okay? Yes. Now here insert the digit at the correct place. 6, 10,000, 3,525. So we have to round off the digit 63,525 to the nearest 10,000. So here the digit at the 10,000 is 6. So where we will look? Look at the digit at the 1,000 place. We will look at the 1,000 place. The digit is 3. When we have to round off this 3, then when the digit at the 1,000 place is 3, then we have to round off to the nearest multiple of 10,000, which will be less than 63,525. First point. Second point, this 63,525 is in between 63,000 and 64,000. Correct? Second point, this 63,525 is nearer to 63,000 than to 64,000. This 63,525 is nearer to 63,000. So whenever we have to round off this number 63,525 to the nearest 10,000, then we have to look at the digit at the 1,000 place, which is 3. When it is 3, as you all know that whenever the digit at the 1,000 place is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, then we have to round off to the nearest 10,000, that is multiple of 10,000, which will be less than this number 63,525. So correct rounding off is 63,000, which is less than 63,525. So this is the correct answer, right? In this way you have to do question number 1. Now come to question number 2. Question number 2 is you have to round off to the nearest lakh. Round off to the nearest lakh. Okay, so rounding of the following numbers to the nearest lakh. Nearest lakh में digit में इसको rounding off करना है, right? For example, 53,86,279 ये नंबर है. So firstly आप क्या करोगे? You will make the place value chart, ones, tens, hundred, thousands, 10,000s and lakh, and insert the number in the place value chart. Correct? Now start 9 ones, 7 tens, 200, 6,000, 8 10,000 and 3 lakhs and 10 lakh is 5 10 lakh. So it is the place value chart. The place values of this digit. Like, okay, how you will read it? 53,86,279. You have to round off to the nearest 1 lakh. Right? So what you will do? Whenever we have to round out to the nearest lakh. So here we will look at the digit at the 10,000 place. And here the digit at the 10,000 place is what? 8. So when the digit at the 10,000 place is 8, then we have to round off to the nearest multiple of 1 lakh, which should be more than 53 lakh 86,279. Now this 53 lakh 86,279 जो है वो किसके बीच में है? 53 lakh और 54 lakhs के बीच में है. करेक्ट? ओके, 53 lakh 86,279 जो है वो 53 lakh और 54 lakh के बीच में है. पहला पॉइंट. सेकेंड पॉइंट इज 53 lakh 86,279 is nearer to this 54 lakh. 54 lakh के नजदीक है, राइट? एंड तीसरा पॉइंट, whenever we have to round off the given number, that is 53 lakh 86,279 to the nearest 1 lakh, nearest lakh, so we have to look at the digit at the 10,000 place के digit को देखेंगे. क्या है? 8. जब 8 है, then we have to round off to the nearest multiple of 1 lakh, which should be more than, ज़्यादा होगा किससे? 53 lakh 86,279. और यहाँ पे 54 लाख ज़्यादा है, 53 लाख छोटा है. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज 54 लाख. क्यों? क्योंकि 54 लाख के नज़दीक है ये नंबर. 53 लाख 86,279 जो है वो 54 लाख के नज़दीक है 53 लाख के तुलना में, राइट? सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज 54 लाख. So in this way, children, you have to do question number 1 is your C work and question number 2 is your H work. So children, I think each and every point is discussed. So always you have to watch this video very carefully. If you are having any doubts, then you may call me, contact in my WhatsApp number. Again I am recapitulating. Again I am repeating. Whenever you are going to round off to the 10,000 place, जब आप 10,000 place में किसी नंबर को राउंड ऑफ कर रहे हो, then फॉर एग्जाम्पल जब हम 10,000 प्लेस तक डिजिट को 10,000 प्लेस तक हम राउंड ऑफ करेंगे. लेट अस टेक एन एग्जाम्पल. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 77,777. ठीक है? अब इसका प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट देख लो. वंस, टेंस, 100, 1000, 10,000. ठीक है? अब ये 10,000 के प्लेस को आपको राउंड ऑफ करना है. देन वेयर यू विल लुक एट, यू हैव टू लुक एट द डिजिट एट द 1000 प्लेस. अब जो ये डिजिट 7 है वो 5, 6, 7 और 8 and 9 में आता है. When the digit comes in between 5 to 9, then we have to round off to the nearest multiple of 10,000, which will be more than 77,777. पहला पॉइंट. दूसरा पॉइंट है ये 77,777 वो किसके बीच में है? 70,000 और 80,000 के बीच में है, ठीक है। दूसरी बात, तीसरी बात है ये 77,777 किसके नज़दीक है? 70,000 के नज़दीक है कि 80,000 के नज़दीक है? 80,000 के नज़दीक है, दूसरी बात। तीसरी बात, जब भी हम राउंड ऑफ कर रहे हैं 10,000 प्लेस तक किसी नंबर को, तो ऑलवेज देखेंगे 1000 प्लेस पे क्या नंबर है? 7 है। When the digit at the 1000 place is 7 and we have to round off nearest 10,000, then we have to round off to the nearest multiple of 10,000, which should be more than, इससे ज़्यादा होगा, 77,777 से ज़्यादा होगा। और here 70,000 80,000 दोनों मल्टीपल ऑफ 10,000 है, लेकिन ये 80,000 ज़्यादा है। और 80,000 कि ये 77,777 जो है वो 80,000 के ज़्यादा करीब है, 70,000 के करीब नहीं है, थोड़ा दूर है। सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज 80,000। ओके, अब आओ, जब किसी नंबर को लाख तक का, नियरेस्ट लाख तक हम उसको राउंड ऑफ करते हैं, तो उसको क्या करेंगे? जब हम किसी नंबर को नियरेस्ट लाख डिजिट तक हम राउंड ऑफ करेंगे, ठीक है, उसके लिए क्या करेंगे? फॉर एग्जाम्पल लो 5,99,999, ठीक है। पहले इस नंबर का प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट बनाओ, 1, 10s, 100s, 1000s, 10,000s एंड लाख। ये लाख वाली डिजिट को राउंड ऑफ करना है, तो हम किस डिजिट को देखेंगे? द डिजिट एट द 10,000 प्लेस, ठीक है। अब दूसरी बात है कि ये 5,99,000 किन किन नंबर के बीच में है? एक है 5 लाख और दूसरा क्या है? 6 लाख, ठीक है। ये पहली बात। दूसरी बात है ये 5,99,999 किसके नज़दीक है? 6 लाख के ज़्यादा नज़दीक है, ठीक है। तीसरी बात, जब भी हमें राउंड ऑफ करना है, whenever you have to round off the digit to the nearest 1 lakh, then always look at the digit at the 10,000 place. So here it is 9, then we have to round off to the nearest multiple of 1 lakh, which should be more than 5,99,999. यहाँ पे आप देखो, जो 5 लाख और 6 लाख दोनों ही 1 लाख का मल्टीपल है। 5 टाइम्स ऑफ 1 लाख इज 5 लाख, 6 टाइम्स ऑफ 1 लाख इज 6 लाख। लेकिन कौन सा नंबर एप्रोप्रिएट होगा राउंडिंग ऑफ के लिए? 6 लाख। क्यों? क्योंकि 5,99,999 और 6 लाख के नज़दीक है। जो नंबर नज़दीक होगा दैट इज द राउंडिंग ऑफ, ये एस्टिमेटिंग है। So what is the rounding off of 5,99,999? It is 6 lakhs. So 6 lakhs is the correct answer. So children, I think you have enjoyed my class. Till then, goodbye. Bye bye.